Welcome to View of Theories and Paradigms. Entrepreneurs often have learned leadership skills through direct experience and practice, personal mentoring, or a combination of these means. However, entrepreneurs may have little formal education in leadership theory and paradigms because their focus is typically application of leadership skills necessitated in the creation of a venture. As a business or organization grows, leadership skill grounded in solid leadership theory becomes increasingly important to enable continued growth of the business and to gain competitive advantage in the marketplace. Thus, it is wise to take time to learn foundational leadership theories and paradigms. This is an informational course designed to acquaint the learner with foundational leadership theories and paradigms and to introduce them to a new paradigm that challenges the others presented. The target audience is adult learners who are entrepreneurs and business owners, though anyone with an interest in leadership will find value in the content of the course. The course requires limited technology experience as the Canvas system is relatively intuitive. Prior knowledge of leadership theory is neither necessary nor assumed, though many of the learners enrolled will bring with them an experiential knowledge of leadership. The online classroom is accessible wherever the learner is located. The course can be completed at the office with employer permission, at home, or anywhere else the learner is able to focus and interact with the course. The course can be accessed in Canvas with these credentials. In Leadership Theories and Paradigms, learners will critique several established leadership theories and paradigms and explore the possibility of a new paradigm that challenges the status quo. By engaging with relevant, accessible academic materials and synthesizing this information with personal knowledge and experiences, learners will be able to make a reasoned selection of the theory and paradigm best suited for their respective businesses or organizations. The detailed course syllabus inside the Canvas classroom provides learners with the terminal and enabling objectives. By the end of this course, learners will be able to effectively choose among leadership theories and paradigms to apply in the context of their businesses or organizations. To meet the overall objective, course goal, learners will be resourced to meet the following enabling objectives. By the end of the Leadership Theories module, learners will be able to contrast leadership theories, select among leadership theories to apply to their businesses or organizations. By the end of the Leadership Paradigms module, learners will be able to contrast leadership paradigms. By the end of the Microcosmic module, learners will be able to critique the microcosmic paradigm, select among leadership paradigms to apply to their businesses or organizations. The three content-based modules, Leadership Theories, Traditional Paradigms, Microcosmic Leadership Paradigm, have discussion forums for learners to interact with the material and to engage in social constructivist activity with one another. The content-based modules also have either a project or a written assignment to allow learners to employ higher-order thinking skills. Both the Leadership Theories and Traditional Paradigms modules have a quiz to check knowledge and comprehension. The Microcosmic module does not have a quiz, as it is not seen as meaningful in light of the critique and paradigm selection tasks included in the module. The Leadership Theories module also includes an interactive activity. The table shows the direct alignment of objectives to assessments and discussions. The course was reviewed using the online Sunny Course Quality Review, OSCQR. Deficiencies were addressed before the submission of this assignment. Thank you for viewing this presentation.